Today we're going to check out the waterfall that's in YELAPA. There's actually two of them. The one's quite far. I have a bum knee this time, so we're going to skip it for now. We're going to explore the town a little bit more, and then we're going to check out a food stand. We tried Tlacoyos there. We'd never had them before. So throw on some comfy shoes, grab your drink cup, and bring your appetite. Let's get going.
It is kind of like living in the jungle here. I think we shut down at 10:30 last night and you couldn't hear hardly anything. You heard the odd ATV, you could hear the water from the beach. There's like a babbling brook around here, and yeah, so if you want to get away from the city, this is our backdrop behind us. I mean, there's little buildings and stuff and shops scattered back there, but no, it's a little more serene than you're going to get in PV.
Well, we just got done shaking the cobwebs off from the day before, and we're ready to head out and find this waterfall.
Ow, Jesus, topes.
I know. Look at the big mark I put in my toenail polish.
Hey, come here for a minute. Sit beside this YELAPA thing. Check out some of the details that go into this. You got like real shells sticking out of here. Lizards. More shells. But look at all the artwork and time that goes into that. What are these dolls called? Remember? I can't remember. We'll look it up. It's a Frida or something like that. I don't know what that is. Pot lid, maybe? But this goes on and on and on. It's pretty cool. It's a long step down. You miss it. I don't know if we covered this yesterday, but the art here is bottle caps. And it says something like, keep plastic out of the oceans, I think. Yeah, let's keep plastic out of the oceans. You like these little small towns though, because there's little signs and art everywhere. Sing your taco. If you're angry, you lose.
There's lots of places to eat in YELAPA, but you can't always count on them being open. This one here wasn't open both days that we were there, so if you see something you want to try, maybe try it when you see it.
Coffee place? You want a coffee? It's closed anyway. No, dude, no. If the horses can do it, why can't I?
After the waterfall, we're coming back here for breakfast.
Hey!
Casa. Is that where we ate last night? Yeah, Mary.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. That's where we ate last night. Food was really good. So much cheaper, like I said, than down on the beach.
Food here is really good. You can catch it in our last video, but the place is called Mar and Tiara, which means land and sea, and I had so many beers that day, I was calling it Mary Tiara.
Oh, that's cool. Look at the baskets on the wall.
If you see this wall full of baskets full of plants, you know that your turn's coming right up.
Aha. Hola. Hola.
Hola, buenos días.
So there's a couple waterfalls you can go to. One's with quite a bit of a hike. We're not going to be doing that today. We're going to the one that's close. Not sure what to expect. We hear running water near our place though, so I suspect there will be a waterfall to see. Tacos Mas. Bunch of wood stuff there for sale. It's a neat looking place. Some little shop set up here. Look at this big. Hola. Yeah. You remember? I've never been here before.
You wanna buy?
I'm not sure. She's looking for some stuff, but we want to go to the waterfall.
Sí, I make it.
Or is this the waterfall?
I make it my friend. Todo es por volumen. I got it.
Oh, very light.
It's the same.
Pretty.
It's the same.
What do you got going on here? You want a juice?
Hola. Buenos días.
Look, what do you want extra coffee or anything?
Do you want a juice?
The coffee is so good because it's a Mexican
Yeah.
coffee look. You want a juice?
Ooh, it smells good.
Yeah. It's not. It's sugar is different. It's piloncillo. You know how it's piloncillo? Let me show you. It's different. It's not sugar. It's natural. I put that one and that one. It's natural.
cinnamon?
Yeah. What's the name in English?
I don't know.
It's in Mexico. It's piloncillo.
Piloncillo?
Yeah. It's like a
sugar.
sugar, so it's natural that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's so good. Like a little bit, if you wanna try. Yeah. So
Very sweet.
yeah, and it's natural. It's so good. The sugar.
Yeah, it is good.
Are you hungry?
Maybe after we go to the waterfall.
When you're going back, I'm
Yeah.
waiting for you. And I have a Mexican food, Tlacoyos.
Oh, that might have to try
It's
that.
that one. I put nopales
Oh, okay.
with cheese and salsa. So good.
Yeah, maybe.
Ooh, we'll be back.
All right, guys, I'm waiting for you.
Dragonflies.
Yeah.
There's definitely no shortage of vendors on the way up to the waterfall.
Hello, doggo. Butterfly one's kind of neat.
Yeah.
Another reason to come up here early in the morning is it's not going to be quite as hot walking up and down. It can get quite muggy by the end of the day. Like any other market you'll come across in Mexico, everything's negotiable, so the price that they throw at you first, you don't have to take it. Come back with your own price. You don't have to buy anything. You'll probably find something similar a little bit further down the road.
Cool.
You try getting a better price there.
That's a pretty wild one. Right there.
A lot of these places sold generally the same stuff, but if you kept your eye out, you might find a good deal. You find it to be a little bit overpriced.
Make tacos, not walls.
Burro iguana, and take a picture.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
No?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Karen and I have been to Mexico so many times, we've bought most of the trinkets that we're ever going to want, but it never stops us from looking.
Butterflies, butterflies. Hola.
If you've got a sweet tooth, they've got you covered. It took us about 35 minutes to walk up to the waterfall, although we did stop to chat to some people. We got there early in the day before the excursions and the cruise ship. People started showing up, so we had a place almost to ourselves. The distance from town to the waterfall is about 0.3 miles. That doesn't sound so bad, but it's all uphill. So if you have mobility issues, you might want to check out getting an ATV to take you up there and back. You can swim in the bottom of this waterfall in the pool. If it's really rainy, it's going to be really brown, so you might want to avoid those days if you can. We only spent about 10 minutes here. You can get a drink there at the bar off to the side if you want. But you better bring cash because they don't take credit cards or anything like that. Now we're headed back down the hill. We're going to go try some of those Tlacoyos that we saw on the way up.
You getting one of those things?
No.
No, okay, then just
Thought we'll just try.
Yeah, try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? You
Yeah.
are here and you have a mom cooking for you.
Yeah.
Authentic Mexican food.
Yeah.
Where else? No.
You're gonna have to remember what these are called, because I know. Can you say the name of that one more time?
Tlacoyos.
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 Yeah, and also you don't have it everywhere. She's from a place that is close to Puebla in Veracruz, and it's the area where they
Oh, so that's
prepare
local
this.
to that.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, like here in Mexico, depends of the area, you have different kind of food.
Yeah.
Like lots, you know, like mole, like enchiladas, like yeah, you know, like a lot.
Yeah.
So these tlacoyos are especially from there, and yeah, the tortillas is like the traditional way that we do it. Because usually you buy them, you know, but then it's not the same taste.
Oh, yeah, no.
Than when you prepare it actually. So that's why we're doing this, to share the authentic food.
Their culture and stuff. That's
The
good.
culture.
And that's what we wanted to do, was try something that we never tried
Oh, so
before,
it's
right?
perfect.
So, yeah.
So I
We're not even hungry. We just
We just
wanted
want to try it.
Where are you from?
We're from Canada, from Ontario.
I love Canada.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, I have you there.
Ontario?
Yeah.
Yes, I love it. So good that you're traveling. Is your first time here?
First time to this
To
part.
YELAPA?
Yeah, we've been to Mexico, like a lot of different spots in Mexico over the
How
years.
did you know about YELAPA?
Travel videos.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So we saw this one guy come here and small beach. We like
During
small beach.
COVID, we could not travel.
We couldn't travel.
Yeah.
So we watched travel videos on YouTube.
Okay. Good.
And
That
yeah.
inspire you.
Yeah.
Yeah, to get out.
Beautiful.
And, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And what I like is like there is like no banks, no cars, no, you know,
Yeah.
all those things that you have in the city, and here is more like living in the nature.
Yeah.
And I love it, you know, like to have a different kind of living. And actually, I saw here like they have like organic gardens like for the town, and
Oh,
like
yeah.
like doing all these things that I really like, you know. I got here and it's amazing, like really. And actually, there is a sentence from here that says YELAPA traps you, and it's true because everybody that live here, that happens. You know, I just came here for a week or for one day, and suddenly it's like more. It's so beautiful. I mean, like the sense of
Stress-free.
sense of community,
Yeah.
like you know, all these that I think that we are picturing that we want in life. So just start creating. Well, actually,
Great eyebrows.
oh,
That's pretty cool. Where did you get that?
love you.
¿Qué te dijo ella?
That's it. Okay, there we go. Gracias.
Yeah.
Also, would you like some salsa?
Sure.
Yes? Okay, we have salsa de molcajete that is over there. I show
Okay.
you.
Oh, yep. I see it.
And she just prepared it this morning in the comal.
It's got beans inside of it. Looks good. Some fresh salsa made today. Never had one of these before. I'm looking forward to it. Are you gonna try it?
We'll see.
Yep. Oh, that's really good. What's all the vegetables? Is that peppers and
No,
onions?
those are nopales.
nopales?
Nopales is the cactus that we have here in
Okay,
Mexico,
yeah.
traditional. And it's prepared with
try that.
onions,
Just show it.
tomato,
Oh. Yeah. There's like bean in the
yeah,
middle of it.
beans inside, and
Fresh
cheese.
sauce is good. No, this is. I would do this again.
I'm so
And you're
happy to
This is
meet
really good.
you.
This on the way back.
If you're going up to the waterfall, you should stop by this place. They're so nice. And ask them a little bit about what they have. Taste it. It's good. You should stop here. Save a little bit of stomach room for this.
Well, that's going to be it for today's video. You'll see part 2 in our next one, where we're going to get some breakfast that's out of this world and hit another beach club, and then head her back to Boca de Tomatlan. We hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next time, cheers.